We're on the 2015 Geometry SOL question number 25. It says, given triangle LMN and triangle PQR are isosceles, what measure of angle P could be used to prove triangle LMN is congruent to triangle PQR? Confusing. So we're looking for a measure for angle P. We want to show that the two triangles are congruent. Well, if these two triangles are congruent, then these two angles are congruent. If these two angles are congruent, right, because we got the two sides, we got two angles. So, if the M and Q must be congruent, so we know 2x minus 26 is going to have to equal x plus 16. 2x minus 26 equals x plus 16. So, subtract x from both sides, we get x minus 26 equals 16. Add 26, x equals 42. Okay. Then we can just figure out from there how big would angle P have to be. Well, if angle Q is x plus 16, x is 42. So we're going to have 42 plus 16, which is 58. So angle Q is 58. Now, if these two sides are congruent, then these two angles have to be congruent. Base angles in the isosceles triangle. So, if the whole thing is 180, then these two angles would have to add up to 180 minus 58, which is, what is that, 122? And now maybe 112? No, 122 sounds good. My doubts. No, it is 122. Good. Hey, good job. All right, 122. But we know that these two angles are congruent, so this 122 degrees has to be split evenly between those two. So, do 122 divided by 2, and we get 61. All right? So, angle P would have to be 61 degrees. Angle R would have to be 61 degrees, and that would leave 58 degrees for angle Q. So, the answer is C, 61 degrees. Notice what they try to do, though. They give you 58 degrees as one of your choices, because they're counting on you not seeing that they're asking about angle P. And so they think, oh, you'll solve for, look at the answers they give you right there. So you'll solve for X. 42. If you stop there, if you don't read carefully, you'll go right here and choose answer A, which would be correct. If you then go, if you see, though, that's not what I should do, and you go and substitute in X, 42 for X, and you get 58, you think, oh, I'm done. Then you'll go and select B, which will also be wrong. Okay, so 61, you got to read it carefully. A lot of these questions, you read it carefully. If you answer A or B, you may have done the right work, but you chose the wrong answer, and you get no credit. Okay, so that's number 25.